everyone, welcome back to my channel and achievements. So today we are gonna learn about part 2 of reproduction in plants, seed dispersal and types of seed dispersal. Come on, we'll move into our part 2. So seed dispersal. The process by which seeds are scattered away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. Types of seed dispersal. Water, wind, animals and explosion. And today we are gonna learn about types, which are these. So, if many seeds germinate and grow at the same place, the seedlings will not get sufficient nutrients, warmth, and water. This is reason why we plant seeds at some distance from each other. In nature, however, seed gets dispersed to different places where they grow into new plants. In nature, seeds are generally dispersed by wind, water, animals, or explosion of seeds. Things that help in seed dispersal are called agents of dispersal. Wind, water, animals, and explosion are thus agents of dispersal. So, if we grow all the seeds at the same place, like this, so if we grow one here, and one here, very near, uh, so if this seed is more stronger than this will grow and take this energy also, and this will go more high, and this tree won't even grow. So that's why we should never plant very all the seeds in a very small distance. So that's why we we disperse all the seeds. And now come on, we'll learn about the agents of dispersal. Wind. The scattering of uh, seeds by wind is known as dispersal by wind. So the scattering of seeds by wind is known as dispersal by wind. So you have to remember this point. So these are the seeds which are scattered by wind. Dandelion, maple and skymore, etc. So you have to remember these seeds names. And some of the seeds plants are very light. The seeds are so light that they can be blown away by wind from another place to another. And dandelion seeds are very airy and float easily in the wind. And maple and sycamore are two more plants like dandelion. So these are the plants which are dispersed by wind, which are very light and blown away from the water from the wind. Scattering of seeds by water is known as dispersal by water. Some seeds of some plants are spongy and filled with air. Such seeds are generally seen in plants that grow in or near water. This helps the seeds float away in water from one place to another. So, scattering of seeds by water is known as dispersal of water. Some seeds are very spongy, which helps them float in the water and also filled with air. This is known as dispersal by water. And coconut seeds are known to carry several hundreds of kilometers because they grow in the coast, and when they fall into the water carries them several hundreds of kilometers. The seeds of lotus plant are also carried by water. So they have a waterproof coating which helps them stay in water for a long time, and if they get conditions proper, they can also grow into new plants. And the next mode of dispersal is by animals. Dispersal by animals. The scattering of seeds by animals is known as dispersal by animals. And we humans also eat fruits and throw away seeds. And these are also dispersed like these are also dispersed. And so when animals attract, I mean the seeds attract animals, and those animals eat those juicy and sweet fruits. They pass through their body, and they drop their droppings, seeds as their droppings in different places. And this is how this process is called pollination, and this is how the seed dispersal is done by animals. And also the scattering and Like cocklebur seeds also have hooks and spines, and these hooks and spines stick to the clothes of a human or fur of an animal, and this is how they are dispersed. Cocklebur and also seeds like burdock can be dispersed in this way. Come on, we're moving to the next mode of, of this seed dispersal. So, dispersal by explosion. So, whenever seeds become ripe, some plants forcefully scatter their seeds, bursting the fruit. So, some plants, when the fruit become ripe, they forcefully scatter their seeds, and some of them are pea plants. So, when they're ripe, they open them and throw all the seeds down. And this, so the scattering of seeds by exploring the fruit is called dispersal by explosion. Plants such as pea plant and balsam plant use this mode of dispersal, and balsam plants also like this. So they scatter away from the parent plant by getting ripe and making them fall. Hooray! You completed the chapter. This is the end of our chapter. Thank you.